Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 6 student based on chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Photosynthesis and our today's topic is creative question and answers. Dear student, take your textbook in your hand, open page number 45 and you will get today's question answer from page number 45 to page number 46 and we will solve today your exercise question number 2. So, dear students, let's start the class. First we will read the question. The creative question number 2. Here is the stem, carbon dioxide plus R. There is an arrow. There is an arrow that is up on the arrow there is sunlight and chloroplast, and then the product is S plus water plus oxygen. The first question, what in this world is the source of all energy? Second question is, why does photosynthesis not take place at night? Third question is, how is the compound S produced in the reaction given in the stem? Give explanation. And fourth question is, analyze the importance of the above reaction in the animal world. The answer of the question is, the first question was what in this world is the source of all energy? The answer of this question is, the source of all energy in this world is the sun. The second question was, why does photosynthesis not take place at night? The main factors of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, light, chlorophylls. Each one is a part and parcel of process and it cannot go on without it. That means for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, water, light, chlorophyll is so much important. Then if anything of these things is absent, the photosynthesis process cannot occur. So as sunlight is absent during night, the process cannot take place. The third question is, how is the compound S produced in the reaction given in the stem? Give explanation. Come to the stem, there is written carbon dioxide plus R. Then there is sunlight and chloroplast. The product is S plus water plus oxygen. By seeing this chemical reaction, we can understand that is shown the chemical reaction of photosynthesis process. Then come to the photosynthesis process reaction. Dear students, look here, carbon dioxide plus water. That means carbon dioxide react with water in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll, and the product of photosynthesis is glucose plus water plus oxygen. That means here R is water and S is glucose. Now come to the answer of C. The reaction in the stem is photosynthesis. By reacting with carbon dioxide, R has produced S. Water and oxygen in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Even though R and S are unknown, by observing the participants and products, we can recognize that R is water and S is glucose. It can easily be described how S is produced. As plants absorb water from the soil and pass it to the leaf and get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, they react with light and chlorophylls to produce glucose. That means S. Oxygen is released as a byproduct. Dear student, we have finished the answer of C. Now we will discuss about D. Analyze the importance of the above reaction in the animal world. Dear students, the above reaction, that means in the stream there is written the reaction carbon dioxide plus R, sunlight, there is in presence of sunlight and chloroplast, there is product is S plus water plus oxygen, and in the answer of C we have discussed already that reaction is photosynthesis process, and that R is water and that is glucose. And we know we get our food from glucose, and we also breathe in the oxygen that is essential for our respiration, and we get energy by taking the glucose. That means this process is so much important for all the living being and all for the whole animal world. So students, let's go to the answer. The answer of the question is, the reaction in the passage indicates photosynthesis. The importance of it is given below. First importance is, green plants produce their food, that means glucose, necessary for their survival. This food is also used by other organisms directly or indirectly for their survival. Our second importance is, the source of energy is sunlight, which is trapped by plants as chemical energy and converted to food, that means glucose, by the process of photosynthesis. In this process, oxygen is released as a byproduct, which is used by the total living world for their survival. Now, the third importance, various types of metabolic activities take place in living beings, that is based on respiration, which is again dependent on oxygen produced by photosynthesis. And fourth importance is, carbon dioxide is released in respiration by all organisms, which is absorbed by plants through photosynthesis, saving the living world from a certain death. That means carbon dioxide is so harmful for our environment. If it is increased, nobody can live in the earth, but the plants absorb the carbon dioxide for making their food, and it just we get the benefit of this. Dear students, here is your homework. This is your homework number 6. We will do CQ 2, that means from this CQ you have to do as SW, C and D, and you have to submit your SW on Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. Dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my mobile number, and my you can search my messenger ID by my name. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. Learn the question answer at home, practice at home, read the chapter properly, abide by your parents. Stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.